Yes, sir. Here we are in Selmer, man. So I say, man, people better start acting right out here these days. I mean, for real. Life is too short. People better stop all that dumb stuff. God take you quick, man. It's crazy. Everything out of the performance. Cause the baby, that clock was outside. Huh? You remember that clock was outside? Man, get up, Bobo. I'm just getting everybody a few. Let's see what's going on, man. Which way is this way? Or this way? You gotta what happened, man. That's what I say, man. People need to stop acting crazy out here. I mean, that's good for anywhere. People need to start acting stupid, man. And ignorant, man. We don't come back down that way. Let's go back this way again. What we there? That's why I say, man, life's too short. People out here doing stupid shit, man. Life is too short, man. I say, man, all need to get along. Stop all that crazy stuff. What y'all doing out here? Killing people and shit. Y'all need to stop this shit. For real. Sit y'all ass down somewhere, man. Cause, man, you messed this place up, bro. Yeah, this was it. Man. Oh, look at this, man. Oh, look at this, man. Think about it, what kind of car ran done this. Look at this. There's somebody's house or trailer, man. Look at this. Trailer. Look at this, man. Yeah, I see this stuff, man. There's somebody's trailer.
He had a dog. He had dogs in there.
And they had a dog out here. Look at that toilet out there, bro. Let me get out and show y'all, man. Y'all better start capping, bro, cause, man. Look, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. Y'all see there ain't nothing left there, bro. Nothing. Look, nothing. Oh, okay. See this, man. Man, y'all people better stop this, man. Y'all better stop out here doing what y'all doing, man. Out here shooting people and stuff, man. Man, it's straight up through this way, though. Man, look at roof right there. Look at Look at it right there. There the roof is. Look at it. Look at it, man. That roof. Y'all see the roof back there? Oh, they gone now, ain't they? Get out and walk. I get out and walk. I don't know what they doing. What they doing? Oh, they talking. Make sure I get my gun on me, bro. Some makes me. I guess he just got through helping, Yep. Nah. What's around here? That's my friend. Car. That woman. You sure? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's her. She from Mickey. Wilmington Turtle. That's her car. Well. Let's see if we get down here. Well, like I said, it could have been us, man. That's why everybody need to change their ways, bro, for real. Everybody stop doing what they doing. I ain't gonna say, out here acting fool and shit, doing crazy shit. I'll get together, man, be a family, be like a family, man. For real, cause life is too short, bro. Y'all see what happened down here. So sure, I'm just, man. I in my eyes. Which I don't do nothing no way, but still though. Y'all see it. It's crazy. Signing out, it's your boy OG Rhino. I'm out.